Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. Today's video we are going to be reviewing the SnapFresh 20 volt cordless string trimmer. They also make a cordless leaf blower, which is going to be for a separate video, but this video is going to be for the weed whacker right here. So stay tuned, make sure you're subscribed for the cordless leaf blower video. I know these boxes look small, but they pack a punch because it is, of course, nice and compact, folds out. So just like all my videos, in the description box below of the video will be this exact same trimmer. And I'm out here on a ranch, 10-acre ranch, and so I need battery power because I don't have electrical cords that can walk around a 10-acre ranch. This is my puppy dog right here. And so what we're gonna do is we're gonna show you what's inside the box. We're gonna charge up the battery fully, and then we're gonna go out to my small orchard that is growing, and I need a weed whack around the area and clean it up. So let's see what we have inside the box. Bria, you want to open up the box? Okay, first and foremost, we have ourselves our guard here, instruction manual, we have the handle, and then we have our main unit with the motor down below, and we'll get some better close-up shots here in just a little bit. Inside of box number 1, we have our charger here, 20 volt charger, and box number 2, we have our battery. Once again, this comes with one battery. Let's get this out of the way here, remove this plastic. So it is already loaded with some line right here, and they also give you a second line right here, which is really nice. Once again, your guard with your edge here, and it pushes together right here, snaps into place. Okay, all the plastic's off here, and then this pushes in, snaps into place right here and here. Your top handle, you can push your buttons in, and this rotates wherever you want your hand placement to be. You just push both of those in on each side. You got your safety button trigger where it doesn't engage until after you push that, and then you can hold that down. So if you release it, it will stop. So you just push this in with your thumb, push that, and you'll give it a go there. So you have a button right here that says 180 degrees. So you push that in, and the whole shaft will rotate 180 degrees and lock into place. And that's good if you want to get something up like in this direction here, or push it once again. Now it'll rotate back the way you're typically used to, like that there. Okay, let's go ahead and go over a couple of really important features. Once again, 20 volt. Cutting line diameter is 1.6 millimeters. Cutting diameter 300 millimeters, 12 inches. The battery type is a lithium ion battery. It is a 2 amp hour battery. The weight is 0.3 kilograms. Charging time is going to be 60 minutes from a fully dead battery to fully charged with the 2 amp. If you want to use it that way, come back around like this. You got your handle here, of course, motor down below, trigger right here. All right, let's charge this battery and give it a whip. And as long as you've wrapped it correctly, there's that little push lever right here. You push that in, and sometimes if you haven't wrapped it correctly, it's a little bit tough to get out, but it is moving out. So I push it in, and then you don't obviously want to pull it that far, but that's to get it back out if you need to get a little bit more line on. Now these ones here are a little bit of a challenge because they're so thick. It's like thick straw, but it just takes a little bit of time. With this thick stuff, you definitely have to get more line out. And this is not the original line either, but I'm just showing you that this is powerful enough to get this thick stuff. And like I mentioned, what's nice is that it is powerful enough, but not as powerful as a gas-powered or a plugged-in electric. And so I actually accidentally hit one of my aspen shoots and it doesn't whack it down. And so that is what's nice about it. But obviously the con is it just won't have enough juice like a plug-in one, so it'll take a little bit extra time to whip through this really, really thick stuff. Most of you won't even have that problem. You're just dealing with grass out front in your front yard. But again, this is super thick straw. I just did about what seemed to be about 30 minutes or so, and now we are on red. It's still going, but you'll notice a decrease in power when it gets down to around that time. Overall, it does a great job, lasts a long time. Again, the only con you'll notice if you go from an electric plug-in or gas power down to a battery powered is you're going to lose a little bit of power, but for the convenience factor, going off wherever a battery can take you, I like it. And if you are wondering, the batteries are compatible with either or. So let's say you're not really going to leaf blow, but you want a double up battery for weed whacking until you charge up your other battery for leaf blowing. I've definitely have done that. Overall, thumbs up in my book. Once again, top link in the description box below will be this exact same weed whacker, where you guys can read more about it and pick one up yourself. Obviously, don't forget about the pivoting head. I don't really use that feature, but it is there if you need it. But just like all my videos, please don't go into debt for anything that I do make a video about. But if you do have the cash and it does intrigue you, go ahead and purchase on away. If you wouldn't mind hitting that thumbs up button on your way out, helps the channel, YouTube algorithm. Also subscribe if you want to see more videos like this house being fully remodeled and more. We will see you on the next video. And definitely stay tuned because I have the leaf blower I'm reviewing next. Take care. Don't let the party stop, guys. Hit one of these videos, continue to watch, and we'll see you soon.